Welcome to Gelous nail art tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to do a 3D seashell look for our summer nail art. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of pink rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, making sure it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe nails clean with nail polish remover. Using Ice Age Aurora chrome powder and your chrome powder application sponge, rub onto your nail in circular motions. Dust off excess chrome with your Gelous dust brush. Apply a thin coat of sugar dipped and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of matte top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Wipe nails clean with nail polish remover. Using rubber top coat and your thin nail art brush, paint a thick dot and drag it down the center of your nail, making sure it thins out to create the markings of your shell. Cure for 30 seconds. Repeat the last step by painting down the side of your nail, curving it into the center line. Cure for 30 seconds. And again on the other side. Cure for 30 seconds. Continue these steps, making sure to cure for 30 seconds before you start the next line to avoid your rubber top coat from bleeding out. Cure for 30 seconds. Using silver lining and your dotting tool, paint a thick dot at the bottom of your shell to create a rhinestone. Cure for 30 seconds. Using rubber top coat and your thin nail art brush, paint over silver lining to seal it in. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching!